Well, whoever came before me on this bike had a little tiny spill. See a crack here, and there's a couple of scrapes along the tailpipe and stuff, so let's see if we can't replace this. It should be pretty simple, right? This is an 8mm in here. There we go. And out it comes. Alright, we've got our new light here. And when you're replacing these, probably a good idea to make sure you buy something that's SAE safe, safe for highways for use, at least here in the US. In this case, I'm good. And you also notice the wiring probably not going to be the same. The one that I pulled off had black and brown wiring, I believe. And this one's black and white stripe. Just look at the paperwork that goes with it to match up, whether it goes to ground or positive. And let's put this guy on. So let's see here. First, let's get the bolt out here because we have to push a little boot in here. Okay, set that aside. Okay. So here's our boot, you see, and this slides on here, and this is just like anti-vibration. Make sure that I don't know. I guess you don't want to look like an acid discotheque freak show going down the road giving people seizures or something. So there we go. That pushes in there. Okay. And so we've got this. If you remember how that goes on, it's like so. So let's push the wires through here. Okay. And that slips right on in. Kind of a tight squeeze, isn't he? You know what? I actually think it might be better to push this on here and then push the whole shebang. Yep, there you go. So that's what you want to do. Press that on there. And now press everything through. Okay. Yep. That has everything covered. And put our bolt back on. Now, let's connect the wires. Okay, so take advantage of this to put a little dielectric grease in here. Okay. Now, you put these back in, you might find you need to get a little needle nose pliers and tighten this down. I actually did this earlier. But this wire goes here. As soon as I finished that one, looked over here and saw all kinds of water in here and took it apart, and it's corrosion. So this has been sitting here collecting rain for a while. So you can see there's a tiny crack. I'm probably going to replace this, but in the meantime, you can see also that this one here. So there's a big crack right there. So of course water's leaking in. And it dawned on me, well hell, I'll replace that one. So why don't I just take a few parts off of it? And this uncracked one, I'm gonna put on there. I've cleaned out that as best I can. Yeah. Alright. That, my friend, is what we call recycling.